Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry. I am a field product expert with Broan-NuTone, and today we're going to be going over the Broan 28000 series downdraft I have here behind me. The main purpose today is I'm going to show you where the gearbox motor is located in the Broan 28000 series, and there's a set of micro switches. I'm going to show you how to get into them. First things first, always make sure power is disconnected to the downdraft anytime you're servicing the unit or going inside the unit to clean. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this plate and this plate off, and there's a nut on each plate. There's two of them, and I'm going to go ahead and take those 4 nuts off. 2 on each plate. And 1 more. Alright, and here's first plate. Here is the second plate. And again, I have the downdraft laying on the table. Obviously, this would be installed on the counter. It'd be balancing and sitting upright. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this aluminum cover off. And there are 2 screws on each side. I'm going to go ahead and remove that aluminum box. Aluminum box cover. Usually I just unplug this, but the white and black leads are plugged in. These are push-on terminals. You just pull them off. You can pull that box right out. Now what we can do, this is all open. So if this were mounted, you'd have to undo the ductwork that's connected to the bottom of the downdraft. These plates just lift off of here like so. I'll show you what the back looks like. Go ahead and put that on the side. Now basically all you would have to do is take this plate off. There's several screws. There's one here, 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 here. And there's one there and one here. And I'm going to go ahead and get these taken off. A cordless drill would work a little better than a nut driver, but this is what I have to use today. And 2 more just inside this unit. I'm gonna go ahead. What you can do is this plate will lift right off of there. Just kind of pull the wires through the little grommet. And now you have access to the gear motor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you there's 2 nuts on each side. I'm going to remove yet. This will give you access to the bottom. The micro switches are located right here, these 2 screws, but I'm going to take it apart and show you what it looks like. So 2 nuts each side. Go ahead. Now I can lift this whole bracket assembly off. This plate will come with it as well. And here you have the inside. Now if you were to want to replace this gear motor, you would remove these two nuts. This plate would come off, and then there's a couple screws right here. There's 4 of them, and this motor would drop down. Here are the micro switches. Basically what the micro switch does is it tells that chimney to stop when it gets so high and down. So if you ever have a micro switch that goes bad, and they can, again, it's just 2 screws here to replace. And again, push on terminals. We try to make it easy here at Broan-NuTone. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.